This is the reason why Nigerians are always going to dominate a music space and a creative industry. It's very simple. Our brand TV organ, how you're a content creator on TikTok and all the social media platforms. Your friend Ananzo, we usually Davido in sound that was electronic they say feature Omah off the album and they say what they're about Montano. This guy uses the sound to make videos as he's always do it. What I say, sometimes he uses all the musicians in Ghana of our sound that and you may try to know a video, especially Black Shave no song with your tell you super. Problem there, better call Jesus. I'm only a big man, no the ball on me. Davido posted this guy on his Instagram story. TikTok was not posted Abrante. Abrante has been able to accumulate 9.something million views on the song. We used to hear. Make sure Davido the song or not. Ghanaians are bashing one of musicians. So why is this guy always using one of musician songs, but they haven't even reacted to the songs? Say we are obia post will be Alangajwa ebe ye video be no chiche musa Shatawale ni the only musician that was using the sound. I'm going to posting. Why is it that when a musician feels so big that if someone is promoting their song, I don't know if they think say the person is gaining something out of whatever they are doing? No, because I know say TikTok doesn't pay in Africa. YouTube copyright issues, but the only ways and means you can gain is Facebook, and that one to ABA it will be limited because what you should be in sound. I don't know how they feel about someone using their sound or someone trying to promote them or they feel big say okay they are known so these people cannot promote them or something like that. Davido saw this as an opportunity and look at what he did to this guy today in Poya. That's all. Yeah, Davido etimama brent $500 yes kakatwa. So what I say, so it feels say when the musicians they feel so big to the extent that they don't want to react to the sounds that they use. Only few musicians now Ghana habit because okay, who you saw the sound of there. This artist is going to promote you. This artist is going to repost you. This artist is going to do this. We have only seen some few musicians that maybe a Shatawale, Stonebody, Sakwe, a bit more Yusu. I'm going to try 1 or 2 music videos. But that's all. All the rest we don't see them. They feel so big. They feel so proud. Proudness and these things, and they are the same people. They are the same content creators that the Nigerians use to promote their music in Ghana. Watch I say, when these Nigerian artists see this content creators, you see that they will get closer, they will collaborate and do some stuff, and boom, they are far gone. So this is a trending news that is going on. When a musician feels so big to promote one of content creators or post them or even react to the videos, and it feels so bad to waste your time, take your camera and then choose someone that you really love, do the video for them, and then they will see the video and they will just scroll. It's really painful. They should change because this is no good, bro. And I must make them consistent.